Hey Melanie, so we're going to look into Minecraft world. First of all, let's just go and save and exit this, and we're going to make a copy to begin with. So pop into your worlds, and then inside here you'll get an option when you click on it that says manage. When you go to manage, you can go and make a copy, and I'll put a copy here. If you want to save it, so it can't be destroyed by an errant process inside Minecraft itself, you can go and export it, and then you can go and save it directly onto your computer. That's well away from all worlds in here. It means you've got a total backup then. So I'll go and play this. I'm going to show you. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, because you're going to need your coordinates. Now you may not have your coordinates on inside your game, so we'll just pop into settings to begin with, just to make sure that I've got both always day on, as well as checking the coordinates in the top left hand corner. And once my computer hurries up, this is so painful when you've got to watch this in real time. So pop into your settings, and then just down the bottom here you'll have like a little toggle that says show coordinates. I'll just make sure that I've got always day on. Yes, I have. So just pop into here, and then what this means is you'll get your coordinates in the top left hand corner, just where that pig is right now, and then just below the paper doll. So at the moment I'm on -1, 60, -1, -60, -9. So I'll just write that down. -1, -60, -9. And then I need to go to the far end of my town, so I'm going to pretend that this is my town. You can see that I've already put some things on already here just to go and test. And then what I want to do is go to the far corner now. So this is 1, -61, 4. So what we need to do now is we need to go and fill everything underneath my little town here using those coordinates that I've just written down. So I'll go into my chat. So I hit T to go to chat, and in this chat bar, what you're going to need is to use /. And what this allows you to do is fill in huge areas with a single material. So what I'll do now is just type in my coordinates. Once I type the word fill, like that, and you can see that it tells you the syntax that you need to use. So it says /fill, and it'll ask you, which XYZ coordinates to which XYZ coordinates. So they're the ones you've just written down. So I want -1, -60, -9, and then the next set of coordinates are in the opposite corner. So this is 1, -61, because that's the same layer height, to 4, like that. So that's the width. And then you just need to say what material you want there. So you can hear me just hitting the spacebar. So when I hit spacebar, and as you type in TNT, it'll write that. And what it'll do now, it'll go and fill in the entire area there. Now, what you'll notice is that it's totally overwritten everything there. So this is why you need a copy, because if you fill it, you can't undo it. So we can get rid of it. If you make a big mistake like this, you can go and fill it again. So if you just hit up on your arrow keys, hit up, it'll rewrite what's everything there, or where everything was written there. And you can write in the word air, and it'll fill that in completely with air. So if you make a copy first, okay, just in case this happens and you get the text incorrect. So I want to be -60 in here because that's my layer height, and I'm going to put TNT like this. And so what I'm going to do now is go and light it. So you need to go and get flint and steel, like that, and then you go and use it on top of the TNT. Now my computer may just slow down for a second, and I apologize profusely for this, but I'll just need to go and use it like this. And what it'll do now, it'll light the first block, and then it'll completely blow up the rest of the blocks like this. Now the more TNT that you've got, you see that jump, The more TNT you've got, the more power is going to be required from your computer, especially the GPU. On our laptops, we have an inbuilt GPU, the graphics card, and they can't cope very well with it, and it will take time for you to blow up a huge area. But make sure your laptop's plugged in, and then you can blow it up like that. Just make sure that the coordinates are there and you've written them down correctly, otherwise you're going to make a mistake. All right, I hope that's worthy, and have great fun.